Jeez, it's freezing cold out there. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is NTL and I'm here to help you improve your art. When we was a little and able to hold a crayon, the first thing we do to express our idea is to wiggle them on the paper, and sometimes we create something like this. If you call that art, in my opinion. So today, I will show you the first basic lesson of the art create is called lines and curve. Let's get on right into it. But first, let's start with my equipment, shall we? Here I have paper, an eraser, and a mechanic pencil. Very simple. You just need very little to bring your imagination and idea to this world. A lot of you might be asking that in the first video, why don't you teach you to draw faces, eyes, ear, nose, mouth, or anything, or just simple anatomy? Why is just simple lines and curve? Well, let me show you something. You are right. I can easily teach you how to draw head, eyes, faces, hair, and even simple anatomy just like this. Yo, what is that cursed image? But be able to do all that, you must have to do a lot of twisting, measuring, or erasing. It's not very natural for beginners. So what I want you guys to do is loosen your hand and draw 3 small curves like this. Then big 3 curves like this for your shoulders. Let's add one more. Next, to draw the straight line, you have to stiffen your wrist to stabilize the pen and create 3 short lines with just the tip of your finger. And long straight line by involve your whole arm in the process. And do some more crossing like this. Here we go. And guys, that is all I do at the start of my drawing journey and warm up before every section. It might be simple, but it gets you motivated and especially eager to learn more. And that is all, guys. If you find this video helpful, please like it and share it with one friend. Well, I have a question for you guys. Please share your first experience with drawings or your first creative activity. Hope you guys have a productive day and thank you.